Now it's time for me to implement this part, increasing and decreasing the volume by 5%. The YouTube shortcuts for increasing and decreasing the volume are the up arrow and the down arrow. I'm going to implement that now. Talon wake. Focus notepad. Talon wake. Focus notepad. Say raise volume. Clear line. Say increase volume. Clear word left. Say volume, colon, space. Say key, args. Clear word left. Clear word left. Word key, args. Say up. Go right. Enter. Say decrease volume. Clear word left. Say volume, colon, space. Word key, args. Say down. Go right. Control sun. Talon sleep. I've created these commands, now it's time to test them. Talon wake. Focus Firefox. Go tab 3. Play. Increase volume. Increase volume. Touch. Decrease volume. Decrease volume. Decrease volume. Increase volume. Increase volume. Increase volume. Pause. So this is not working for me at all. Talon sleep. And the reason it's not working is because increase volume and decrease volume are being misinterpreted. I need different words. What about go louder and go quieter? Or maybe just louder and quieter. Let's try that. Talon wake. Focus notepad. Go left twice. Go word left twice. Go word left. Clear word right. Colon. Go left. Clear word left. Say quieter. Space. Go up. Clear word left. Say louder. Go down. Go right. Space. Go up. Clear word left. Clear word right. Say sound. Colon. Space. Go down. Go up. Go left. Go left. Clear word left. Say soundtrack. Go down. Go word left. Go word left. Say soundtrack. Control sun. Talon wake. Talon sleep. Let's try those voice commands and see if they do any better for me. Talon wake. Focus Firefox. Play. Louder soundtrack. Louder soundtrack. Quieter soundtrack. Quieter soundtrack. Pause. Talon sleep. And that is working. Excellent.